Loves, it's the most wonderful time of the year and one of the most wonderful times at Bath & Body Works. And I've got a massive, huge holiday haul for you. I'm gonna kick things off with the candles first because there's so many good scents. I cannot wait to light these while I'm decorating over this entire week. My clean and decorate is coming soon. I know everybody always wants to know when that one is gonna be. It will definitely be in at least 2 parts. Make sure you're subscribed, have your notifications turned on, but you guys, this candle holder, it is just iconic for Christmas. Like, that is the cutest candle holder I think I've ever seen them make. I absolutely love it. Here's some of the candles that I got to sit on here. This first one, I mean, just look at that packaging. Santa's cookies and milk. Oh my gosh. It smells like a cookie factory at the North Pole. And this packaging is just on point with the cute little postcard. And I mean, it looks like it's just a little mailer. But here are the notes. It says it is fresh sugar cookies and a warm glass of milk. Sit by the fireplace on Christmas Eve. I just love this one. I want to light this while we bake cookies together. And sometimes I will know this about myself when I shop. I get in a certain mood where there's a certain nostalgia too to the smells. And this one is called Fresh Cinnamon Rolls. It is so yeasty. It smells like, you know, when you go to the airport or the mall and you pass the Cinnabon store, they've captured that in this candle. It's to die for. I want to eat it. It is gooey cinnamon roll, warm ground spice, and vanilla frosting. And I loved how this candle in particular had the little deer on it too. So sweet. The packaging, I feel like, was really great this year. Sometimes it's a hit, sometimes it's a miss. This year, I feel like they had some good hits. This is the holiday candle. It's very Ralph Lauren plaid. Oh, and it just smells like Christmas. Red cinnamon stick, cinnamon clove buds, Christmas clove buds, and ground nutmeg. And I just love it. This one is called Christmas Cabin. And I liked the pretty blue packaging on this too. Oh, this one smells very high end. This smells like a candle you find at Bloomingdale's. And I say that because when I was just in New York City this past weekend, I was smelling all the high-end candles in all of the department stores there, like the high-end department stores. This is high-end, so could be a really great hostess gift, I feel like, for somebody who has, you know, those kind of tastes, but use the, obviously, Bath & Body Works, there's gonna be so many sales on candles coming up for Black Friday, and even I feel like all throughout the holidays they do sales on their candles, so just pay attention to those. But this one is spiced clove, crackling fireplace, and cozy cabin. And it's funny they say cozy cabin. It's not, that's like not a great descriptor. It's almost like it's not a cotton smell. But it's sort of like the fresh laundry smell. Is what I'm picking up on. It's clean, but cozy and Christmassy, and I love it. It's a great one. It's like how I want laundry to smell all of Christmas. Like, I would light it in my laundry room and make all the clothes smell great. This one is under the Christmas tree. Packaging is it reminds me of like Slytherin or something. But this one is the one I will be lighting as we decorate the faux Christmas tree, because then it makes it smell like you have a real Christmas tree in your house. So if you miss having a real Christmas tree in your house, because I know when I was a kid and even when we first got married, I insisted on a real Christmas tree, and now it's just not practical anymore. I was like a single mom who just can't do that by myself. But this is fir balsam, juniper berries, vanilla eggnog, and sage leaves. I think it's the sage mixed with the Christmas tree smell, like that fir balsam smell. It's so good. This one is so, so good. And a huge thank you to Get Joy for sponsoring today's video on my channel. The puppies are now almost 7 months old and they have been loving their Get Joy dog food. I love that Get Joy is made with real ingredients that I can actually pronounce, but it's so easy to serve. None of the mess like some of the frozen raw dog foods that I've used in the past. These little girls have good poops. They have tons of energy. Their beautiful adult fur is growing in, so healthy. And they just gobble it right up every single morning when you get it for breakfast, huh? Oh yeah, is it delicious? I think she just let out a little burp. I don't know if you could hear it on camera. But wellness is not just for humans. I want to be making healthy choices for my little fur babies as well. And just like there's a science behind our gut health, same goes for dogs. You want to make sure that their guts stay healthy as well. Fuel your dog's wellness and everyday moments of joy with Get Joy freeze-dried raw dog food. See, because joy starts from within, huh? Oh, thank you. You're just the most lovely little thing. I'm gonna have a QR code here on the screen as well as a link down in my description box below. And with my code YouTube50, you will get 50% off of your first subscription order of Get Joy. Plus, you'll get one of these free gold scoops. You'll also get a free bag of the freeze-dried treats too. And again, that's code YouTube50. Oh, come here. You want to be in it too, Puka? Thank you, Get Joy, for sponsoring today's video and making sure that Puka and Coco get fed the very best. Oh, thank you, honey. Thank you, honey. And then, because they had a sale on these single wicks, I had to get some of these too and some other really great scents. First one, there'll be no surprise here if you've watched my Bath & Body Works videos in the past, Vanilla Bean Noel, my all-time favorite Bath & Body Works scent. It's so good. Let's see, does it tell me what the description is? Here, I'll read what it is on the body wash, not to skip ahead to body items, but it's fresh vanilla bean, warm caramel, sugar cookies, whipped cream, and snow-kissed musk. This one is also another one I like to light so that it smells like you have a fresh Christmas tree in your house, but this is Tree Farm. I don't think these single wick candles are any kind of thing to write home about when it comes to the packaging, but this one is crisp pine needles, warm cedar, and spiced apple. So it's almost a good fall to Christmas transition scent because of that apple too. This one I got for in my room or bathroom because to me this is a more feminine smell, but this is Snowflakes and Cashmere. I will shout out though, the little lid on it is actually really pretty. I think it's my favorite part of this candle. This one is just so soft. It's vanilla cashmere cream, caramel woods, and frosted clementine. It's just a very soft, cozy, vanilla, feminine scent. And then this one. This is, I'm not gonna lie, this is like when it is about to be that time of the month and I'm craving chocolate. This candle could maybe trick me into not eating the chocolate because, oh my God, it just smells. It's hot cocoa and cream, but it also smells like fresh baked brownies. It reminds me of the guy that I used to date in college. They had an apartment in Chicago right by, I can't remember if it was the Ghirardelli factory or some kind of chocolate factory there. And when you would go outside and it was like working hours, you would smell the chocolate. That's what this smells like to me. It is so good. This is just chocolate lover's dream in a candle. Decadent milk chocolate, fresh steamed milk, and mini marshmallows. So good. All right, we'll do body next since I had to jump ahead for that just to tell you the exact notes of Vanilla Bean Noel. But I got the Fine Fragrance Mist and I got the body wash. I also got the body cream. And I wanna say it was buy 3, get 3. I think that was the special they had going on, or it was either like buy 4, get 2 free. I can't remember. But there was some kind of special that I ended up getting 6. So the other one I got is the Snowflakes and Cashmere, which is the vanilla cashmere cream, caramel woods, and frosted clementine. I got the body wash, the body cream, and the Fine Fragrance Mist. And I actually know I love my Vanilla Bean Noel. Smells so good. It smells like you stepped out of the shower and are just so feminine and pretty and ready for Christmas. Why every time that I go to film is there a lawnmower here? It's not mine now, it's my neighbor's. Dang it. All right, next I'm gonna show you guys the Wallflowers because I got so many Wallflowers. I don't know if you really see it. There's a lot. I like to make the entire house smell like Christmas when it's Christmas time. So I already have a lot of the plugins from years past, but these are the 2 that I had to get for this year because how cute is this little martini glass and then little pink Christmas trees. Love them. They're so cute. But one of the things, and I wish they did this more when I lived in Hawaii, but I got them for Hawaii nostalgia. Probably from my bathroom and my room because that's where I have a lot of Hawaii vibes, especially in the bathroom. But this one is called Sun-Kissed Santa. says it is Santa's suntan lotion, coconut colada, and sunny skies. And it smells like Christmas in Hawaii. This one is Caribbean Sleigh Ride. It is pink pineapple rum, juicy passion fruit, and jingling sleigh bells. And both these, I mean, they're great. They're the top 2 out of all the Christmas beach scents that they had. We're gonna dive into this little bag of wonder. Wallflowers. You're my wonder wall. Anyways, okay. This one is called Shimmer Season. It says it's warm and woodsy, and it is sweet vanilla glow, black peony, and sparkling party dress. Presley liked this one for her room. That's one of the things that I find fun to do, is taking the kids in and have them help pick out things too, and she likes this one for her room. And this is Christmas Cabin, which is spice clove, crackling fireplace, and cozy cabin. So got balsam and firewood. I thought this one would be really great for Coco, no bark. Puppy's barking. This one is cedarwood, cardamom, and white birch. This is great for, you know, where the fireplace is, little cozy smell. This one is called Letters to the North Pole. They had some really cool new scents that were just Wallflower specific, so definitely check out the Wallflower section. This one is Cozy Holiday Evening, Rainbow Candy Canes, Notebook, and Glitter Pens. It felt nostalgic. One is in a partnership with Milk, the cookie and cake bar. It's Milk Bar Birthday Cake, and I figured since my birthday's in December, this one could be fun. It's layered vanilla cake, creamy frosting, and rainbow sprinkles. I was thinking for in the kitchen to make it smell like cake's baking. Hey-Hey's birthday is coming up too, so he's November 20th and I'm December 9th, so our birthdays are just a few weeks apart. Then this is 'Tis the Season. It's rich red apple, sweet cinnamon, and cedarwood. So I feel like it's just a classic Christmas scent at Bath & Body Works at this point. And then I've got Christmas cookie baking, which is warm sugar cookie, almond icing glaze, and nutmeg. Again, another one to go in the kitchen for sure. This one is Mary Berry Martini. I was thinking this one should go with that little plug-in that I got. Little Christmas martini plug-in, but it is fresh muddled raspberries, cranberry cocktail splash, and a sugar crystal rim. I might put this in the bathroom. I feel like it might be like a good downstairs powder bath. Fun little scent. I usually do a little more like fun and fruity in the small bathroom. This one is called Hostess with the Mostess, which would look so cute in a little Hostess gift basket if you make one for you're getting invited somewhere for Thanksgiving or Christmas or even for a holiday party, and you take a little Hostess gift. But this one is fresh baked pumpkin loaf, sage garland, and cozy candlelight. I have it in my foyer because to me, I'm gonna be honest with you, I was even telling my friend this, I think this is probably my favorite, how I want my entire house to smell. If I had to pick just one scent, house scent. Like, it's so good. So good, at least for this time of year. All right, we are getting through these. This one is Iced Ginger Snap. I love this one. It's fresh ginger, baked cookie dough, and vanilla glaze. Fresh balsam, another really good Christmas tree-esque scent. It's woodland balsam, crisp eucalyptus, fir branches, and cedar wood. This one is more masculine too, so I was thinking of maybe putting it in one of the boys' rooms potentially. And then this one is called Under the Christmas Tree. I really liked this one. Fir balsam, juniper berries, vanilla eggnog, and sage leaves. Last things I'm gonna go through are hand sanitizers and then hand soaps. There are some really cute hand soap designs too. Even Landon was actually like, Mom, we have to get this one. It was really cute when we were there shopping. But I got fresh sparkling snow. I love these for stocking stuffers or putting them in with teacher gifts. I feel like as a teacher, I could never get enough hand sanitizer, even just as a mom, with your mom friends. This one is called Winter, and the boys kind of helped pick these, so I was thinking like the 2 blue could probably go in Landon's stocking. Blue's his favorite color. And then I got a Vanilla Bean Noel and a Winter Berry Ice, again, kind of more like green toned. These with Presley in mind, there's strawberry snowflakes and that pretty like pinkish mauve. And then snowflakes and cashmere and sort of a lighter purple. Kind of a special on all of these too. I can't remember, it was like 6 for something. All right, and then same thing with the hand soaps. There was a 5 for something special. This one is Santa's Milk and Cookies. So again, I think playing off of that candle that I first showed you that looked like the cute little North Pole postcard. This one is fresh sugar cookies in a warm glass of milk, sat by the fireplace on Christmas Eve, and that is exactly what's pictured. So cute. I love that soap. It's like a little painting on it, pretty little picture painting. And this one the same, this is the Perfect Christmas, which is fresh cut pine, cinnamon sugar, and toasted marshmallow. And again, take a peek at how pretty that packaging is. It's Cozy Winter Cottage. It is winter spices, warm cedar, and amber musk. And look how cute, it's like a little snow village. And look at the little puppy there, little puppers. And then I liked this bottle for the champagne toast because it had like the little stars all over it. So it's bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. And then finally, I actually like this one, I think for in the kitchen. I'm gonna probably get like the Mrs. Meyer's mint cleaner. I always like that too, but this is the crushed candy cane soap. It is crunchy peppermint, white sugar crystals, and frosted mint leaves. And I liked the little striping on it too. All right, that is a wrap on this Bath & Body Works holiday haul for 2025. Be sure to let me know down in the comments what your favorite scents are, what you want to go get. I hope you take advantage of all the Black Friday sales and all the other holiday sales. Definitely sign up for their app though, because I had so many coupons. I had some things too for free items. Take advantage of all of that. Make sure that you are subscribed and have those notifications turned on so you don't miss the 2025 Christmas Clean and Decorate with me and all of the other holiday videos that I'll be sharing on my channel, as well as some pretty big news. There's gonna be some changes going on here and I don't want you to miss it. So I will see you in all the rest of my holiday videos coming right up. Bye, loves.